Here is the Northumbrian Tinsoldier Kickstarter come in. Let's see what we got. Oops, we have to turn it over, I think. There we go. Lovely thank you card. Ooh. Oh, two of them. Curious to see what the cats of Crumptown are up to next. Then get ready to join us on a journey to Catovia. Oh no. Oh no. That's so cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, those are awesome. Those are so cute. Oops, trying to get this flare out of it. Very neat. Love that. Some slaughter bases. And oh, they're upside down. The kitten guard. Here we go. Very cool. Those are so cute. Whoop! Quite heavy. Look at that. That is little ears sticking out. Oh my gosh. You have the, I'm not sure. That's a bard more? To be honest, I was paying mostly attention to the, knights. And we got one with a tiny triangular shield, which I'm putting my finger in his face. Very cool. These are adorable. Oh, it's a yarn ball! How did I miss that? Oh, gosh. Let's see these ones here. Okay, whereas one opens without, like, wanting to, I can't get the other one open. I think it's actually sealed. How did that one's sealed inside? Okay. There we go. We have spear. A little flashing, no biggie. And another spear. With that tail. Oh, that's great. Oh, I love that armor. I love that tail too. Fluffy tail. Fluffy tail! Double dagger or double sword? Is that probably dagger? Axe and shield. And axe and no, sword, shield. Oh no, sorry, cape. That is so cool. I love the helmets. They're awesome. Hopefully I'll even get to painting them soon. We'll see.